Howdy do, Ben Coaton here again. And why are you looking like that, I hear you say? Well, it is the 2nd of March 2018 and it's a bit chilly in the music room. But we've got the heater on, we've got a mug of tea, and we're just about to do an unboxing, but I'd like to show you what it's like outside, because it's a big difference to what it's usually like here in Lincolnshire in England. Would you like to see my garden? Yes you would, I hear you say. Okay then, let's go. Off we go outside. There we are, we have some white stuff on the ground. All around. Bird feeding station. Lots of footprints. But yes, it's very cold. The blackbirds don't seem to be liking the bread at the moment, but they do like the little suet fat balls. And let's go a bit closer to the snow, because I just wanted to test to see. I nearly slipped over then. Just wanted to test to see how I don't know whether you can see that. That says 0.3 degrees. Can you see that? No, I can't see it on the screen anyway. But yes, it's a bit chilly, but it's not too cold though. It's the wind chill factor. There's one of my homemade bird feeders. There we are. Very good. Let's go back in, shall we? How we doing? We're back again. Let's take these things off. Oh yes, this is my new hat. What do you think? Alright, it keeps me warm anyway. It was hand knitted in Nepal, of all places. It seems to be doing the trick. I'm going to keep my jacket on because it's a bit chilly. And there's the old hair. So, we have an unboxing to do. Let's get to it. In fact, we have a few unboxings to do, so stay tuned. Should we do that one first? No, we won't do that one first, because I know what's in the first one that I wanted to do. Well, hopefully it is anyway. So, here's the unboxing. Unfortunately, it looks a bit battered, so I've had to strengthen it a little bit. Hang on a minute. That's not what I hoped it was, but there we are. First little item of unboxing. Some cruise tools, guitar string cutters. Shall we have a closer look? Ba 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 ba! Oh yes. They're alright, aren't they? Snip, snippity, snippity, snip. They seem nice and strong, and the handles are quite grippy as well, so that's nice, and it springs back. So for storage, just put an elastic band around there so they don't snip anything like wires or whatever else. There we are. Item number one. And we have this one, and we have this one, so that's two, and we have this one, so that's three. Three altogether, or four altogether? Four altogether. Let's go from smallest to largest. stuck to my finger. Thank you. We have a what is it? A stereo extension cable, and that is for something else that's coming along, which I'll show you in a moment. That was what I was hoping to unbox first. It's a new unboxing knife. Let's have a closer look. Comes in a sealed or sealable. I've got a little sticker on the back here. There we are. A sealable, waterproof box. There we are. La 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 la. That's better. So it's a true utility beer hunter knife. Beer hunter meaning you can probably open the tops of beer bottles, I would say. There we are. True utility. Nice sharp knife for slicing boxes. So that's that one. Rubbish. We'll see if we can keep that box, because it looks like a decent box. Apart from it's got a crack in it, so I don't know what we're going to do with that one. What else do we have in here? We have a USB charging adapter. There we are, with 2 ports, so I can charge 2 things at the same time, or give data to 2 things at the same time. So that's good. Yep. Empty box. Empty. Okay then. Right then. Going for the large one, or the second largest one. And in here, what do we have here? Oh, it's the, whoop, we've just dropped it. Micro USB cable for the plug that I've just shown you. So that's nice. Well, that was the box anyway. And in here we have a ball head for the GorillaPod SLR zoom that I recently did an unboxing for. Let's have a closer look with that one. There we are. Things like to stick to me, unfortunately. There we are. Right. La 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 la. Oh, there you go. That looks good. So there's, apart from the instructions, which are there, it's an empty box, or a mouse house. That's a good one. A mouse house. Oh, that's quite good, isn't it? Yeah. Tighten that up. Put on the, oh, that's nice actually, nice grippy, nice and strong as well, so we can move that to where we want to. Good weight, but not too big though. So there we are. That's quite good. I'm impressed with that little jobby. What else do we have? Oh yes, we have a new microphone, a shotgun microphone, and that will go with the extension cable that we've got. There we are. And go on to pick up the voices and whatever else I would like to pick up when I'm doing some recordings for you. Isn't that good? And then we have the last item. Can you see that? Yes. Micro boom microphone stand, boom pole, which is 2 meters long, which is extended, and 0.8 meters, which is 2'8", when it's compacted in this state. So there we are. Ba, ba, ba. Let's get it out, said the vicar to the actress. There we are. Ooh, it feels nice already. There we are, Rode. Yes, I'm advertising some of your products there. That's good. Ba, 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 ba. Which way? So, extending. It's like a fishing pole, or like a boom pole, whichever one you would like. There we are. Nice grippy handle, and we'll see how we're going to configure that another time. Put that there. So, thanks for watching. Check out my other videos for some more videos coming very soon. And yeah, that's all